Onshumulikiri bono nagukwalira ndonsi ya sobereta semarogoba ya bono chinga kichine ngokwaligania semese mangana maya nyaro kumanyika tiere twabere to kwaliganiria kurase mambia lenge ntambe kweka Chinsa chigabono chebono marogoba nokwegana kwane buna litukulia oneli yali na boigo mwako yobwechiri bubere na merongebere nebere bunorange ko butoka no gendrete kwe manya na boigo no gendrete kumulikira amangali tukunyira oneli ya Jumatano istaliki merongebere na isana Isato mutinyo 12 omwako yegabwe chiri bubere na merongebere nebere na mange habereka okolekana inyirabona ebahasi ya Modern Coast ni gobono yagwa aigaso muchobo songo ensemo ya makutano ayungo chukumanyina kyamangana alenga seritukulia lero boigo ase county area ya Meru ni okumusana kogendete koenekiwa ekerekeli mo governor we county yokawira Mwangaza aika wezi bunge ya senate konyara kwegerera igoro jo wako kwa yesi kokolende haba igeribaye ni kubarokana kumwegerera omo governor we county yo ayo amone anda mange na kwaligana itumanya senchira yobo ikirano asemargoba yabono Isato chiabono butuko nyare ko gusansamuranira na gukumanya senchira yobo ikirano olito kubwatira nere gotira sumuno wimanyiryo higa kuruko Joshua Auta iriterana nchenkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha. Gotogore mesa ya mangana mayesa tochi abono botuko ni gotogo chaka kroigase county ya Kisii asomubasukano bwebara oyokolekana ensemo ya makutano maiga yebasi ya Modern Coast kugwasoro chirora asensemeyo igagotebekana buna ebasi yo ni goyera na magega na kugochia soro choru abwa somontoyo makwa bwabo na kugachia senkendo nyagetali ya Kisii na banta bande abange gotigoro chinko matintinde obagendrete kurwandro mabwabo asinyagetali ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital omulikito Ndemo Steven na ikira na senseme yona niga twaliganira roboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano
emambia ya lero ensemo ya Kisii Town nigo bosombia separa ya makutano getale bwale maligwa sekagieta niti Chinsa inye enga kiegari ya Modern Coast ya sirio boroso na goturungana gochia sauro chenya komisaro enga kikonyora ya rule savali koruo mochio Mombasa
egari eri muna jikota je break egari yange break egari ataka gocha magega egari yaiteye moya na kuru eyo mongwano itone tokoruka mayoyo nere kereira na magega ya suguma yaje gusukumirania abantu gete bali ngegege egari yana kunero jaumia
mede gari kare ya rura satambe buna ntu abantu bapara nto mete ngegari kare yede ngwikere ya bole break mono kare koira na reverse okoranga achikobeka reverse yanga waso ya so afuri onyendrie so kanga bona na wale ko control.
Otherwise I'm advising drivers, those who are responsible for the control, when they feel they want to stop somewhere, they must ensure that they have a good space and a good area to park their vehicles.
Korengana na omo OCPD Kisii Amos Ambasa nigo montoyo mo utalenge gari yuime asirio bogima bwa yaso mo basukano yo na bange gotigerwa chingoma asasabira abarundi korundi asobo twereru mono aschinga kiechi chesuguku.
The driver, after the accident, disappeared from the scene. Members of the public, with the help of police officers, rescued passengers who were in the bus. One person who was a pedestrian and a male African adult or middle age succumbed to the injuries which was caused by the bus. So far, several passengers who were rescued are undergoing treatment at the KTRH.
Ogo saba kwa bamenyi babosongo na serikali ye county ya Kisii kwene kibuna ebitango mbibekira se Chinsinyo chie para chisinye neno rocherwanya komisaro eliogokonya magima asama tukale bosio.
Mheshimiwa Zimbarati angalia hapa tuweke pavement mzuri ndio kali inaweza kuteleza na ikikucha ikutana pavement mzuri ili ipate kuokoa watu wetu katika hii county.
Kisii county kai gando jene gaba na nebe getaba chigari chichenya kitari buyamono ambulance chiamyo kirege getekeyemo egavana yaito Zimbarati na wagena buyamono ndogenderega singenjo na gwabeka buya general ndoje amyo kiga chigari kai gachakonyira abantu baito kiaba minyokiri nyagitari.
Miki tunaweza sema msemo ya Kisii ama msemo ya Disemba ama msemo ya mwaka mpya. Mazee ma driver ma conductor ma vikonyo wote. Naomba tu tafadhali mjaribu kuangalia breki, peleka gari service vizuri, na ukiona gari umetoka far long distance, jaribu kuona pale unapaki gari.
Magegayo mubasukano yo gokorekana nigo bono mugavana Simbarati asabiru kobekemero belera ene kibuna omochoko muya noro asebitaseni byekigali no mochobosongo oyuo obwato mubaro manene bw'abantu asekera litukolyo boncholeria
amangana ye gabeire ga igamasosa epare ne gane iri korosigwa ebebuya asengencho nonyene keregali egopaki u yanyaranga esete nene na saragia Simbarati aligereria amangana ye ga asengenche pare yero siguna bokonyoranga yakonyira abantu baito.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV Elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Yemuno mulikito Ndemo Steven hasorobotirwa senchira yobo ikirano bono gotigana nere Ndemo Steven nigo kuboli go kwarure go chiasabo iboli ko ne kibuna mbali ko batuguta bana babo ko ne kibuna nko balenda bale aya niga kwanwe kerokeria baskali ba County go sekanjo wakoretaro yabo gochi asensemeli ya chogo children's omukubwaterana ne sector yobo sombi aigase county ya Kisii okona korenseme yoni go bate birubuna nere bijaba iboli korenda abana babo ekero bakoretaro yabo asenchira yogo koro mwaka na gotara bana bwaso kunyara koba ebyego ao omulikito Frida Kerubo na ikirana senseme ya chogo children's omna gotwaliganira roboti rokobwatia
Bunentereye moyo gokonya na gusangana bali batabwati nigo abanyenyimbo be county bakubwatira nababwatani kurwa sector y'obosombi ime county ya Kisii batarira jogo children's home ase basanga ase obwamo gokwana no mo director w'abanyanyimbo be county nigo aene kibuna nigo abo bisabo bayimugete gitambukiro eliyogo sanga nabana bo chinga kechiga chesuguku
of these officers, enforcement officers igo ntoje tia iga katesi ya mwanasiasa ndego somontonde. It is from their pockets, and the governor who has given us the blessings to come, as I said earlier, na chete akarua a donation ya
Voigo omunyekirogo omatatu imemo chobosongo nigo airabuna nigo babeire bakonyora abana batugutire ase abolia abaiboli kolemerelia nonya obugima bwakonyire.
Hakuna yule hajashuhudia, hakuna yule atasema ya kwamba hajawahi kusikia ama hajawahi kujionea na macho yake. Ni wakati sasa tunaomba wale wasichana ama wale wa mama wakati wamepewa mimba. Wajua sisi wanaume ndio tunapeana hizi mimba. Tafadhali na wewe ukipeana mwanamke mimba kwa bahati nzuri ama kwa njia ya kuelewana, muhimize ya kwamba wakati atakapopata mtoto asimtupe barabarani, asimtupe kwa choo, ajaribu kumulisha. Manake maisha bila mtoto pia ni magumu. Ukiwa na mtoto pia maisha ni magumu. So ukitupa mtoto usifikirie kwamba umemtupa, maisha yawe mazuri. So maisha ni yale tuchalipu, maisha ni kungangana.
Singa kecho boigoni go omusubati masimora abolia basubati gotwara engoro ya kimwanya banto na koenekia nkolinda bale abana lika liokobatuguta.
Wakuwe na upinadamu ndani yao. Kutupa mtoto si mwisho wa maisha, ni kuchitia moyo na kulilia Mungu. Yeye ndiye ana uwezo wa kila jambo, sisi wenyewe tutaweza. Mungu anayo neema ya kutosha ile ambayo itasaidia mwanamke kama mimi ili apate nguvu na apate njia ya kulinda watoto wale ambao angeweza kutupa kwenda kwa serikali na kulea.
Ebyombe binde nigo byaboligwa kwega omubwekano yo eliokorwa obokonyi.
Na banare gotebanga na barabubaige omubwekano yo iga berine erinde asinginje yoko bless even the less privileged in society. Igo, and that is the meaning of Christmas. I hope maybe when it will come to New Year, maybe they will do something.
Omo director ojogo children's home nigo agokera omorobelio yo ase agania onde bwensi obwate omoyo bogokonya gotalera chinsemo echo.
Nasema kwamba tumeshukuru county government and in particular the Department of Enforcement kwa zawadi wanatuletea kwa niaba ya watoto Tunashukuru sababu hizi zawadi ambazo ametuleta ni Krismasi. Na hatuchukui kama kwa msaha. Tunachukua sababu tunajua kwamba itasaidia upande wa watoto, na pia tunasema jambo ambalo lolote ambalo tumeletewa hapa tunatumia kwa njia ambayo inastahili, njia ya kusaidia watoto. Na tunashukuru na tunaomba kusema kwamba mkuja tena, isiwe ya kwanza peke yake, lakini mrudi tena na tena na tena, ili mashirikiano yetu endelee kukua.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Frida Kerubo mbyemona sorobotirwa senchira yobo ikirano bonogo tigananere Frida Kerubo igotokomera no muri kito Josephat ya miso jogo tumanyibuno omuwaziri asensemo ya ICT Information and Communication Technology Eliud Owalo ni gobono anyaraga uchakia beno murubiri bwekerero asensemo ya hero yogo toka se county ya Kisumu. Omuwaziri gukwana kurwa sensemo inigate ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ni gebegete murubiri elikonyara ko ene kibuno bokori bwe serikali mbochwe nigwa ase Chinsa chiekerero roboti uru asenchira yoboime.
Serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ni chikoenekia yaretire amonjoria anene asobokoreri bwemeremo ya serikali kurwa ase Chinsa chiri chiekekoro wikira Chinsa chiekerero gose digital platform. Ayangolengana no mwaziri wa ICT Eliud Owalo.
Government services also are going to be on digital platforms. Moving forward, you will not have to go to a government office to get a service. You will be able to transact business with government from the comfort of your house, because everything that the government provides by way of services will be onboarded on digital hotspots. As we speak, we have got about 3,350 government services on digital platforms. We are going to roll out in the next 6 months a minimum of 5,000 government services on technologically enabled platforms, so that wananchi are able to transact business with the government without going to a government office to queue the line.
Moroberio oyobwe wifi nigonyareko bagotogigwa amona baraya bange abanyarako bagwikirana ase omuyego ibelitiko lya lero.
Amarieta nkoroku Viki Nyaboke Onderi omo women rep oboretie gotenene Kisii County. Lero litiko lya lero ngwakira oyo minto SCS Eliud Owalo o Information and Technology angete okwarigania okorangeriwa gochagaiga ahero Kisumu County gocha launch the Wi-Fi hotspot igaiga ahero egento na tebire mbia mono asomo CS yoito ase president yoito William Ruto komochora na kuwacha kuwatira na bantu baito bokoro moroberio yoiga abantu baito omoroberio no chiko tokonya lero mete chigasi nchiyo egento tutagete ne chigasi ekero to chikokora mangana digital ya mwaro lemba kana ne president ekoronchi gweta amangana digital platform egere biasara onyarako online.
Rero igona mokoba omuwaziri Eliud Owalo erinde alonche wifi ere free wifi iga ahero. Ene initiative ye president yeito William Samoei Ruto yoko make sure Kenya yonsi yachire digital na internet yabere accessible asaba Kenya bonsi Kenya ngima. Ekenegente kia mono sana esengencho ensengima we are headed digitally.
Omusiba TV Konderi boigo nigatebire omoroberio nigara chikoba kwena na egasia nyinge anene guchia sabasae na kwene kinga banyara ko bagwetenera asobogima bwabo bakira lituko.
It is including e-waste management. Togasai na Ntua University aria Nairobi chikokora mangana e-waste courses tuansirie na ande na tebiri na lengesia ya no CS Owalo ngochitole koronchi na Gusii na Kisii University na Bondo University Maseno University abana baito baruga bagende ngumbu bachigosoma mangana electronic waste management.
Nonyerabo account ya Kisii teratigara maega okonga nyambane boigo nyarako bagukirana asomoroberio nigatebire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nebwato moroberio bene kwene kinga yanyareko boigo ikirania omoroberio bo kwena na internet bosa ime account ya Kisii.
Igo bila internet connection okonyore gotogotigara magega na ande ntomo sabete una Gusii eito ntoche to launch wifi ere free Gusii eito erinde enyare gokonya basae internet nabe gotumeka gosoma internet nabe gotumeka ebintu na e-commerce ebintu na digital engagements na wego to make una social engagements.
Buna enjira eyemo ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza wikirani chira nyalta kwa wekoliera aba Kenya ao litukolia lero waziri wa ICT Eliud Owalo yikirana asensemo yaero iliyokoena na anne internet yabusa na kweneke buna aba menyi benseme banyale ko bagutumia umutandao iyo ase abokorari bwabo bwakirali tuko Kuripoti Rikitaseni kia Ndizi TV kuruya nsemo ya aero Yerime kaunti ya Kisumu elitharane Josephat Amisi.
Biamono humurikito Josephat Amisi asoroboti ruwa senchire yobo ikirano bonogo tigane Josephat Amisi totigare boigo asorogongo ruwa Nyanza ni gobona serikali ye kaunti ya Migori yaberege kubeka asobwagale buna ebinyi bya Ebola byaroka na senseme yina kurogo tindi gocyasamenye benseme yogota soyo bwo asobwagale kolenda ko ne kibunangwa kabale roboti ekarabarare imanyiriyo binga bune bigo cyasumuntu ndebwensi ase kaunti yo ya Migori kolenga no director kurwa sensemo yobo chenu omanyikante buna Kennedy Ombogo ni gate birebune serikali ya kaunti ya Migori ni gebegete ebitango nabanegante kubekemiro birisene elikoneke bunango tanga baro komenta kuranda kwibinyi byebola ase kaunti yo ya Migori.
Be responsible to your family, be responsible to yourself, be responsible to the government that you serve. As a healthcare system, we will also, and as a government, will take our responsibility because we have been playing our responsibilities. We have a very robust surveillance system going up to the household level. We have community health strategy as a structure. We have the coordination of both service and community health and surveillance.
Also, all the discharges from the body of this person are highly infectious, meaning the person can spread the disease, and that is a dangerous person to the general public. Number two, I want to inform the public that even dead bodies of this particular person need to be buried in an organized manner, meaning we have to have specialized people handling that body because the body is highly infectious. And considering that our people, the kind of burials we offer the dead, and in the way we handle the bodies.
Go tigana yubono go etsani aba bunge emeronge bere kurwa sensemeli ya Western Kenya ni kubono baga ndiyo muraiwense William Samuel Ruto kone kibunango sona na gati yogo taiwana kogendreta kone kiwa gati yomo konyo muraiwense gati gashawa amono mo governor we county Nairobi Johnson Sakaja bunga bokurwa sorongoro Western ni go bate birubuna omokonyo muraiwense gati gashawa ni garokane ko mosana no mo governor we county ya Nairobi agento bagote abuna ni go omokonyo mora wense asoire kora goetera obokenyumba nobugesako egento batebire Kenyare koligererwa asobime chinga kiechini go bamochiriri gadiga shawa na kumuboria amwali bagomo governor we county Nairobi Johnson Sakaja elikonyara goikirani obokoribwa ye ase county yo nigo bono batebire no kumusiro kogendrete ni kora chikoleta mange ase batebire buna tigensemo ya Nairobi ewelibaga anene korwa somo governor we county yo anyara goikirani obokoribwa ya bungabo ngamo no mubunge o Westlands Dimot Wanyonye no mubunge kurwa asensemo ya Sirisia John Waluke amona bande au barokane komo chomo konyo muraiwense gadi gashawa.
We are going to work as a team. We are looking for the unity that disappeared since independence, and I'm sure this caucus is going to bring up our unity. The Western Caucus unit is going to avail itself with this caucus. We are not fighting the government. In fact, this caucus is the one that will approach all the issues with the government. The appointments which you have had.
Every time he's saying, oh, this is now for Kikuyus. This is now ours. Why is he the deputy president? Just in case he has a good friend, he should be reminded that he is not a Kikuyu deputy president. He is supposed to make sure that he throws all eyes across Kenya and makes sure that every tribe in Kenya is inclusive in his vision.
Abono kirobwato anekurwa sensemo ya Mombasa ni gobogochi koegwo umuburendi boisaine anene bali babwato umanya senchera yogwa kontimbwe kerokeria bale Chinsa cyo kirontimbu chimanyekante buna chibicha yani gago cha maiga y'abantu babere konyara gosiria gumabwabo ase bichi manyekante buna pirates kutoka sensemo ya Mombasa maiga y'obwato barenge gotara kugwana kondoka na kogochia ase ebiche yo ase kolendo montaboro ole konyara konya bagwete gochia soro choro arunkolenga usa yunkolengana no mugavana bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Somad Nasir oyote birubune county ya Mombasa bone chikone kibuno bwato ose bali bagotumia Chinsa mechungo nyara ko bali obulendi boisaine asoko nyara gotanga makweli angabunayo.
Nimefanya mpangilio, kutakuwa na boat 7 za patrol that will be moving around area hii ambao kwamba ndio the most frequented area. Kutakuwa na boat 4, kisha baada hapo katika island pia kutakuwa na boats, na from there the Likoni side ambao kwamba watu wanajivinjari katika maeneo ya Shelly Beach na sehemu ya Jomvu pande za Mkupe, all areas ambao kwamba ni recreational areas katika wakati huu. Na I'm glad that some of the boats are already here. Ajali utokea, lakini we need to be prepared.
Tumekuja kuogelea, tumefurahia na familia zetu wote, maana lasia tungeweza kufika, lakini siku ya leo kwa ajili ya Mwenyezi Mungu na uhai wetu ametujalia uhai mpaka tukapa na familia yangu yote.
Na abantu chimibere mone 50 wale no wale mane kura sensemo yali kujani yo kutoka se county ya Kakamega ni gazeti tukulia lero banyorobo konyi anene bwichinyange kiraba konye konyara gotara kura nseme mugo kya sensemende igomoro bulyo abagokora no mubunge bwensemo yali kujani Innocent Mugabe gakubwatira namo nebyombe binde likoneke buna abantu bale no bale mankonyoro bara sensemo yali kujani ase county yo ya Kakamega ni gona nabate birubuna abantu bangabuna baroka bagotiwa maega ekitatebirwa na serikali ya na chikone kinkunyora ara abantu bale nobolema asenyenchira yo kunyara kubasirana kubakonya anene wasoko ba Chinyange umurubiri bo iganyara ko cyakya benne litsuko lya lero.
Looking at a day where every school you don't need to separate those with disabilities from other kids. We endeavor to have a situation where even a kid with a disability can go to any school and learn and feel like a part of the community.
Mobility is something important. If I didn't have this wheelchair, I would have not be anybody. I'd be laying on the floor somewhere. Maybe I would not been alive today. But this mobility gave me hope to be able to go to school.
I teach in Don Bosco Special School. I've gone through school and I'm here being able to help people with disability. I would wish all the parents at home, those that are hiding children, please take them to school.
Hata na bila ninaweza kutoka kwa nyumba nikafika mahali, lakini naona kweli wakati huu vile tumepata wheelchair tunaweza kusonga mbali.
Huna enjremo yokonyara koreto mulembe gati ya Bokot nabo igobono n'abaturukana ni igobono bainegetiye tambokero kyo gotwara umuyega wege koro oyokolekana te obutuko bwokyarere ensemo ya turukana igobaje tamu aso kunyara kone kibuna kunyara bale kora ryo mulembe abwasaba se kurenseme yibo igobabete bakomanyugwa bunamba base wesonania aso bibwe tugo babero bakolekana asenseme yo umuyego ni gobatiko ikara n'ababwatani aho bono barwe tokubori gocha saba sae asoko bwatera no kuya nyorobono ni gobono oboibi nabo igono bosangania na sensemo yetugo wabere bokolekana gati ya Bokot nabo igobono n'abaturukana egento batebere buna babekiro bwamatobuya asokoleto moyega bwege koro oyobete ko kolekana Chinsa mochia turukana.
Bado roho yangu kupendwa hii watu yote kubaliana amani, niseme yote choma bunduki. Ni choma bunduki. Tunakubaliana. Asante sana.
Sasa niko hapa hivi kusema nataka tu Bokot na Turkana tukue na amani. Juu imanene afita haiwezi kutusaidia.
My name is Loka Martoro Deli.
David. I'm from a Pokot community, that is West Pokot County. Mastor Ward, specific village, one of the village called Gotulbo near Chakulo.
Na gotingana na yono mwanchumu likirio Ndizi TV ni gomo governor we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ikaboswe bunge ya seneti asoko nyara kwegerera igoro jebi kole wateraneti maega ye bunge ya county ya Meru kogani abeka wako isiko korwa ase bunge yo awase county ya Meru abaganiri banyaro gocharo mo governor mongao asoko yira county yo inyarabono ni gebi karobya bigo kolekana kolende gati yaba kolimeremo anno mo kolimeremo oteneta bakoli bandemere masse serikali ye county ya Meru arrakanaga kumwegerero mu governor we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza chingakicho abayigereri bayo mu governor iniko bate abuna umugavana tarakroma mu chandonsi abwase boigo senate era chikurwa lichibulia yali tukule juma ilikonyara komanya go somo governor we county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ngotigararo bisigo seniga goche wako isiko kurwa serikali elibonense moja Meru na sobo choli na gochoro mu governor moja onye bunge ye senate kego chigoiteli chibuliabo lituko liejuma.
The governor has chosen perfectly within her rights that she will not give evidence. And whereas that's within her rights and she can't be faulted for it, we find ourselves at a disadvantage. And the disadvantage is as follows. The governor has had ample time to challenge our case and our evidence, and specifically to challenge the evidence of the mover of the motion. Our problem is, even as she exercises her right not to take to the witness stand, she has filed before you several affidavits, one of them by herself, some of them 3 or 4 others, by persons who will not also be taken to the witness stand. By law, those affidavits are part of your record. By law, those affidavits are evidence. The whole essence of an affidavit is that it is sworn evidence in writing. To the extent that these people are not being called to testify and specifically to be cross-examined, we run the distinct disadvantage.
Munchumuligiri bono inyorana mange habaka kolekana litukulia lokolende hayungati yali tobatoko kwaliganiria anasemese ito ya mangana mayanko bakarambya mono bali mwenso abwatira nasemese ya mangana mayako ne kibuno muligiri ito oyolera senchira yobo ikiranu kolende buna botambe stali kibune chiale romuti buno yolerege nteki ya goseke bengi ya kolekanete asense mugete nyirobono aso mwaka bwaliwe mochimi ya kiandone 1908 stali kibono bune chiale ro stali ki emerongebe na isana Isato mutinyo 12 mwaka 1908 ni gobono egente kamugia kolekante kebemono gete bugo ikabono ekeiga ni gomotenge chomo kongu umube okolekante asense melia ya Europe obono irete kobaita abantu chiribu emiye mu mwancho muligire bono salikibune chiaro mutibuno yolero aso mwakolia o 1908 ni gobono motenge chomo bono irete goita abantu chiribu emiye mo anene ase continent area ya Europe ina ya kolekanete aso mwako yukolendo ekeraga bunonko ya kromosu mali mangana majya senchira yoboye kirano gendra gotubuati agwetena nsemeli mitandao nsemi ya Facebook Ndizi TV News the Digital na baigobana nsemeli ya YouTube na bagotunya rabuna Ndizi TV News Joshua utani gako ya letera gwetera sumuno bwimanyiryo ekereke bono chibicha munelyogi chene kina cha wikere anse yobora ibwaye Petronira mokera tomera nenga kenda semesa yamangana mayankyo maga yokobokera nyasaye umera na Brighton Makoli na Sara Nyarangi ondita baraza asumuru buli bwensa kyo botuko byeretera n'inchenkoro ko Vincent Onyancha.